All right.
Blaze.
Throw it, Blaze. Throw it. Oh, he's going to eat it. Careful, they're going to get you. Blaze, you going to feed him? They're going to see your bread and take it from you. The ducks. Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, right out of his hand. That one's going for it.
Did he take your bread? Blaze, did the ducky take your bread? Came right up to you and took your bread, huh? Come here.
He's more interested in my teeth in the hand.
Here, you want to see? Here, let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Ready? Whoa! It took it from me! Well, I hope I got that on camera. That was crazy. That was crazy. Look at all these ducks. Look at all those ducks. Wow. Yay! You want to get down and run around? All right, chase the ducks. Chase the ducks. Go see them. Come here. Where are you going? Oh, Blaze, no.
Hey, you want to lock up my sunday?
Yeah, right.